Hello children, my name is Rachel. It's lovely to see you again. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Later in the lesson, you'll need some paper and something to write with. Why don't you get that ready now? Okay, let's start by reading some phonemes that you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says ear. It is a trigraph, 3 letters, 1 sound. And this trigraph says air. Now it's your turn. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ear, air, ow, oi, or, are. Now I'm going to mix the cards up. Read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Or, ow, oi, air, ear, are. Well done, super sounds. Today we will review some phonemes we already know. Let's start by reading some words with the sound R. R. Copy me. R. R. Well done. Now, I bet you can read these words easily. Can you spot the digraph R? Remember that a digraph is 2 letters, 1 sound. Did you spot? This word has it twice, here and here. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Let's read it together. Farm, yard, farmyard. All the animals were waiting in the farmyard. Try this one. Can you spot the digraph R? Yes, here it is, and this word has it twice too. There it is again. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Let's read it together. Car, ark, park, car park. I have left my car in the car park. Final word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Let's read it together. Market. I went to the market and bought some delicious, juicy apples. Now, I wonder if you can read these words without sounding out. Off you go. Well done. Let's check. Read them with me. Farmyard. Car park. Market. Super. Now let's review some more phonemes we already know. Or and Or. Or. Now let's sound talk some words with phonemes you already know. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. F or k. F or k. Your turn. F or k. Fork. I eat my dinner with a knife and fork. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. W or n. W or n. Your turn. W or n. Worn. I should have worn a hat when I went out in the snow. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. T, n. T, n. Your go. T, n. Turn. You have to wait your turn to play on the swings. That was excellent. Now let's read some more words with those graphemes that you know. Let's read our first word. Remember that a digraph is 2 letters, 1 sound. Can you see the digraph or? Yes, here it is. This is the digraph or. Say or when I point to the digraph. And again. Great job. This says or. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. F or k. Fork. Good job. Let's read another word. Have a look at this one. Can you see the digraph or? Yes, here it is. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. W or n. Worn. Good job. Let's read another word. Can you see the digraph or? Yes, here it is. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. T or n. Torn. Her dress got torn as she climbed over the fence. Ready for another? Yes. Have a look at this one. Can you see the digraph You spotted it? Yes, here it is. This digraph says Say when I point to the digraph. And again. Well done. This says Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. Ready? Now let's read the word together. Turn. Turn the TV down. It is too loud. Ready for another one? Yes. Have a look at this word. Can you see the digraph Yes, you've got it. There it is. Well done. 2 letters, 1 sound. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. Hurt. If you say something unkind to someone, it can hurt their feelings. Ready for another? Yes. Final word. Can you see the digraph Yes. Here it is. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. Curl. The puppy likes to curl up by the fire. Look at this beautiful puppy curled up fast asleep by the fire. Now I'm going to mix the words up so that they are all in a different order. I wonder if you can read the words on the cards without sounding out. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Turn, worn, fork, curl, torn, hurt. Incredible! We are on fire today, children. Now we are going to read some tricky words. Have a look at this one. You know how to read this tricky word. We have read it before. Can you remember why this word is tricky? Yes, it's tricky because this letter says or. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Or, all. Let's try another one. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the first tricky bit? Yes, the first tricky bit is that we can say this digraph as f or z. Can you remember the other tricky bit? Yes, this letter says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. The. Now, let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up and I want you to read them aloud. Ready? Go. Okay, let's check. Read them with me. The, all. Did you get them right? Fabulous. Now, let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see a word with a digraph? Remember, a digraph is 2 letters, 1 sound. Have a good look. Yes, these words have the digraph here and here. Can you see a word with the digraph or? Yes, this word has a digraph or. Can you see a word with the digraph oo? Yes, this word has a digraph oo. Can you see a tricky word we read today? Yes, the tricky word we read today was the. And here it is again, the. Can you see the tricky word to? Yes, to. Good spotting. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you are not sure of. Ready? Excellent reading. Now, let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. Turn the fork to curl up the food. Let's read the sentence one more time. Turn the fork to curl up the food. Have you ever eaten a plate of spaghetti and used your fork to curl the spaghetti around your fork? It's the best way to eat it. Now, let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You'll need your paper and something to write with. Grab it now. I'm going to get my pen while you're getting yourself ready. Have you got everything you need? Great. Let's spell turn. Segment the sounds with me. Turn. T, n. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, n. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write turn. I need 3 sounds. Turn. T. Is a digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 2 letters. T, n. T, n, turn. Okay, let's hide the word. Now it's your turn. Say the word, say the sounds, and write them down. Don't forget the digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. Okay. Ready? Shall we check our spelling? Show me your spelling. Let's check mine. T, n, turn. Did you get it right? Super. Let's try another one. Let's spell worn. Segment the sounds with me. Worn. W, or, n. Let's count how many sounds there are. W, or, n. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write worn. I need 3 sounds. Worn. W. Or is a digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 2 letters. W, or, n. W, or, n. Worn. Okay, your turn. It's hidden. Now it's your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. And write them down. Don't forget that digraph or, 2 letters, 1 sound. Are you ready? Shall we check? Show me your spelling. Let's check mine. Worn. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's spell a tricky word. We have spelled the word all before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. All, or, all. Let's count how many sounds there are. Or, all. That's 2 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, it is tricky because A says or. Watch me write or. The or sound is written with the letter A. Or, then the all sound is written with the digraph all. 2 letters, 1 sound. Or, all. Okay, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The or sound is written with the letter A. Write it down. Don't forget the digraph for all. Shall we check our spelling? Show me your spelling. Let's check mine. Or, all. Did you get it right? Well done. Children, you have worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. I am so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds.